Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In the video today I'm going to be building 3 really cool Lego City cars. Going to be building this one, the donut truck. Cool set. And then going to be building the Lego hamburger truck and the tour bus. Forgot to see how many pieces. The donut truck has 196 pieces. The hamburger truck has 194 pieces. And then the tour bus has 384 pieces. Yeah, looking forward to building these. They look really cool. Hope everybody enjoys the video today. As always, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell down below if you enjoy this video. And any comments or suggestions, always happy to chat with everyone. And here we go with the cool box art. We'll start off with the donut truck. Got some cool minifigs with this set. And cool detail. And then we got their burger truck, the hamburger truck. This one's really cool too. I like the Lego hamburger, that's funny. And then we got the tour bus. Got some cool minifigs with it too. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get these boxes opened up. Got everything opened up. The Lego donut truck has 2 bags of Lego, and then you got the 2 instruction booklets. The Lego hamburger truck has 2 bags of Lego also, with 2 more instruction booklets for that set. And then finally you got the Lego tour bus with 3 bags of Lego, 1 instruction booklet, and then you got the stickers. But gonna go ahead and get started with the building of this set, of these sets, I mean. Again, thanks so much for watching this today, and here we go. what I have built so far. I have the Lego City donut truck finished. That came out really cool. And then I'm building the currently building the Lego. The London. This bus reminds me of a London double-decker bus. Of course, it's the City Tour Lego City bus. It just reminds me of one of those. But yeah, this set's coming along. Some neat minifigs too. And the next one I'm going to build is the hamburger truck. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get back to building them. Here are the 3 Lego City vehicles I built. The donut truck came out really cool, and the minifigs are neat. I like all the detail. Oh, and my cat Willow wants to be in the video again. What is Willow gonna do here? Willow wants to say hello. The cat is not a Lego set. She's just blocking the boxes so you can't see them. Isn't that right, Willow? She's very spoiled, as you can tell. Well, I'll show you the picture as soon as my cat moves out of the way. Come on. But anyways, yes, the minifigs are really cool. And the silly thing is my cat Willow knows she's not allowed on the dining room table. That's where I'm building the Lego. But typical cat, she's like, I'm going to do what I want to do. But yeah, this Lego set is really cool. The Lego City food truck, donut truck. Came out cool on both sides with the spinning donut. And then you got the Lego City bus. Got some cool minifigs with it. This is one of my favorites. The mother pushing her child in the baby carriage, I think is what they call it. But yeah, it's cute. And you got some cool ones. And then we got, let me show the back side of this one first. And then there's the back of the Lego City bus. And then here you can change, this is a neat feature, you can change the picture on the front to different things. Harbor, museum, downtown, and park. Neat feature. Then we got the cool Lego City hamburger truck. And then you got the Legos, the hamburger that I built. Oh, Willow, quit that. And then, of course, Willow knocks this poor Lego character down. What has this Lego character ever done to you to make you knock him down? Silly cat. But yeah, this set is really cool. And then these actually come off too, which is neat. See, I took that one off. And then this one will come off too, like that, which is cool. And then the Lego City bus, the top part will come off and you can see in the inside of it. But yep, this set came out really cool. These 3 sets. I highly recommend them if you're looking for some cool Lego City vehicles. Everyone, thank you so much for watching the video today. I really do appreciate it. Hope everyone enjoyed the Lego City vehicles that I built. I appreciate everyone watching. Till the next video, everyone, stay safe and chat with everyone in the next video. And again, any comments or suggestions, always happy to chat with everyone also. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.